Northern Japan is experiencing an intense winter crisis as Hokkaido faces one of its most severe snowstorms of the season. A rapidly deepening low-pressure system showing typhoon-like characteristics brought record-breaking snowfall, powerful winds, and blizzard conditions that significantly disrupted daily life, transportation, and energy infrastructure across the region. The system began intensifying during the night between Sunday and Monday. Initially, snowfall was concentrated along the Pacific coast of eastern Hokkaido. After midnight, however, heavy snow bands shifted northward toward areas near the Sea of Okhotsk, triggering extraordinary accumulation within a very short time. By morning, some communities were buried under deep layers of snow, with vehicles covered by more than half their height. Within a 12-hour period ending at 6 a.m., weather stations recorded remarkable snowfall totals. Engaruo town measured 61 centimeters of new snow, while Kitami City recorded 60 centimeters. In Obihiro, snowfall exceeded 30 centimeters, marking one of the heaviest accumulations the city has seen this winter. In several locations, the snow was wet and heavy, accelerating accumulation and forming large snowdrifts, especially in low-lying areas. As the low-pressure system intensified, wind speeds reached extreme levels. Just before dawn, instantaneous wind gusts in Abashiri reached nearly 33 meters per second, with similar readings reported in Kushido. Along the Sea of Okhotsk coast, blizzard conditions reduced visibility to nearly zero in some areas. Strong winds combined with heavy snow made movement outdoors extremely dangerous and at times nearly impossible. The impact was particularly severe in Monbetsu, where a powerful snowstorm on the morning of December 15 blanketed the city in white haze. In Kushido, strong winds damaged infrastructure and some buildings. Following the storm, rapidly falling temperatures increased the risk of ice formation. In Kitami, temperatures were forecasted to drop to -11 degrees Celsius, prompting warnings about slippery roads and heightened risks during early morning and nighttime travel. Transportation systems across Hokkaido were heavily affected. More than 100 flights were canceled at New Chitose Airport, with total cancellations reaching 129. Rail travel was disrupted as approximately 90 train services on JR Hokkaido lines were suspended. Bus services were halted in several cities, including Obihiro, where snow accumulation reached 51 centimeters within 24 hours, forcing school closures. In Sapporo, total snowfall since December 14 reached 43 centimeters, triggering intensive snow removal efforts across residential neighborhoods. Energy infrastructure also suffered. Power outages occurred in Monbetsu City due to damaged power lines, and at one point, up to 35,000 households across Hokkaido were without electricity. While conditions gradually improved in some areas as the system moved eastward, strong winds and intermittent snow continued, keeping authorities on high alert. This event demonstrates how quickly winter conditions can escalate in northern regions. Despite the experience and preparedness of Hokkaido's residents, officials emphasize that caution remains essential during extreme weather. The information presented in this video is compiled from official meteorological agencies, government authorities, and reputable news organizations. This content is intended to inform viewers and raise awareness about severe winter hazards and preparedness for future events. It is not intended to cause fear, panic, or unnecessary concern.